Pumpkin pie. Who not ready, that's the game we used to play. Yeah. High people was the same. Ready or not, hear that drum, hear that news, make that fun. Always get to find a hiding place. The time to change. Whoa, I wanna get the
Hey everybody, it's Jessica from the Parkway Senior Center, and I have Miss Cynthia Slover, who is an intern from the University of South Alabama, with us today. So we are in October, so all of our recipes are going to highlight pumpkin. So today we are going to be making pumpkin pie. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do is combine eggs. So you're gonna use 2 eggs, a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, that's a hard egg, and then you're going to get a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, it helps if you have a really small spatula because this stuff is really sticky. And then the last thing you're gonna do is add a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And once you put all that in your bowl, you are going to mix it until it is very well combined. So, after you have mixed those ingredients really well, you're gonna want to get a 9-inch unbaked pie crust, and you're gonna pour all of your mixture into the pie crust. So you're gonna wanna cook this at 425 degrees for the first 15 minutes. After that, you're gonna wanna set your oven to 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes, or until your filling is set. So this is the finished product of our pumpkin pie. I hope you all enjoy.